Hi guys, today I will be showing how to make chewy peanut butter cookies. For the ingredients, we need 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 eggs, 1 cup of packed brown sugar, 1 cup of white granulated sugar, 1 cup of smooth peanut butter, 2 3/4 cup of plain flour, 1 cup of butter that we will melt. This is optional ingredients. This is 1/4 cup of crushed peanuts, and this is peanut butter chips. This is optional as well. I used half a cup plus extra, and then I also decided to use half a cup of chalk chips. To begin, we're going to combine the flour, baking soda, salt, and the crushed peanuts. Give this a mix, and then we will set this aside. Now we're going to melt the butter and then combine the sugar, both the brown and the white. Add the vanilla as well, and then mix this until it is well combined. To this, we're going to add the eggs as well. The beauty about this recipe is you don't need to use electric mixer. As long as you mix it properly, you will not have a problem. So at this point, we can add the peanut butter. Peanut butter is 1 cup. Mix again. So continuously mix this until it is well combined. At this point, we can add in the flour mixture. Now, it is important not to overmix this, because if you overmix this, the cookies will be tough. It will not be chewy. So now we can add the Reese peanut butter chips, half a cup. Again, this is optional. And I'm also adding half a cup of chocolate chips. If you don't have Reese chalk chips, peanut butter chips, you can use just 1 cup of chocolate chips. So mix this until it is just combined, and then we're gonna cover this with cling wrap and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I preheated my oven at 180 degrees Celsius. So I'm measuring a good scoop of the cookie batter. This is fairly large cookies. So this is about 2.5 tablespoons. So on top of this, I'm putting chocolate chips and peanut butter chips. And then before baking this, we're just gonna slightly flatten it. Just like so. And then we're gonna bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes. Do not overbake this. And this is what it looks like after baking. If you're making a smaller cookies, bake it for about 8 to 10 minutes, no longer than that. And this is the finished product. This cookies is so good. It is really chewy. I hope you give them a try. And just to show you what it looks like when you cut the cookie in half. Again, the secret to this is not to overbake and not to overmix. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye!